get some vlog stuff, right?
Yep.
But also a little teaser on, hey, coming up, and not necessarily of the actual house.
Right.
Because it's not listed yet.
Can't list me. Right.
But more so the area, even a little bit of neighborhood stuff, with the cool drive, and it's a beautiful day to see the lake. So it's kind of perfect as far as that goes. And then just do a little like, spring's finally here, something like that with the weather. And then just stay tuned for this awesome new Canyon Ferry Lake house kind of thing. This is my awesome husband, Brad. Spending the day with us today.
Exciting times.
Brad works for the military and is real estating in today.
That's right. Pretty. And Uber driver, right? So.
Ooh, I should pay you.
Two for me.
And more.
Cool.
Yeah, we did a lot of fun stuff.
Good.
Yeah. What about you?
Yeah.
Good.
It's pretty awesome.
Have fun.